Get ready, folks! The Pixel 8 Pro leaks are coming in hot, and we've got all the juicy details right here for you before Google's big launch event. Google's flagship phone is set to be unveiled on October 4th, just few days away, and we've got all the juicy details. Let's start with the display. The Pixel 8 Pro is reported to have a 6.7-inch LTPO OLED display with a variable refresh rate from 1 Hz all the way up to 120 Hz. This is great for saving battery life when looking at static content, while still allowing silky, smooth scrolling and animations when you need it. The peak brightness is said to hit an insane 2,400 nits, one of the brightest screens on any phone. Sunlight visibility should be excellent. Under the hood, we're expecting the new Google Tensor G3 processor, likely built on a 4 nanometers process for improved efficiency. This will be paired with 12 GB of speedy LPDDR5X RAM, so everything should run smoothly. Storage options are rumored to go up to 1 terabyte in the US and 512 GB elsewhere. Now let's talk cameras. The Pixel 8 Pro may have a 50MP main wide camera, a 48MP ultra-wide, and a 48MP telephoto with super res zoom up to 30 times. Optical image stabilization should improve shots across all 3 cameras. A 10.5MP dual-pixel selfie camera rounds out the photography specs. We're excited to see what Google can do with its computational photography on this new hardware. The battery capacity is rumored to be a hefty 5,050 mAh, which would be the largest ever in a Pixel phone. 30 watts fast charging is finally coming, though wireless charging speed remains slower at 23 watts. Like other Pixels, the 8 Pro should get 7 years of OS and security updates, a key selling point. Connectivity is top-notch, with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC all on board. The body is covered in the latest Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for maximum scratch and drop resistance. The phone will also carry an IP68 rating for water and dust protection. Biometric security should come from an under-display fingerprint sensor and face unlock. As for colors, leaks point to the Pixel 8 Pro coming in obsidian, porcelain, and bay, a nice mix of neutral and vibrant options. Overall, the Pixel 8 Pro is shaping up to be an impressive flagship phone, pushing the boundaries of Android performance and photography. We can't wait to get our hands on one and put it through its paces. The October 4th launch event promises some exciting announcements. What feature or spec are you most excited about with the Pixel 8 Pro leaks? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for our full review and comparisons once we have the phone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.